What's up, guys? It's your boy Beowulf back at it with another video. Woo, it's Saturday. Got the store all set up, so it's going to officially open on Tuesday, which I thought was going to open today. But man, we got some updates. Got a new toolbox. The floor is almost done. Got to order some more. Yeah, I'm going to paint the walls and stuff like I talked about in another video. Check it out. Now, you guys seen the last video. I put straight pipe with the Hellcat. See how all washed up? Gonna go out Saturday night. I'm gonna show you guys kind of the Myrtle Beach strip. Sea Doo's out. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It looks like rain, but it's not supposed to. That's the other new mod too. Man, look how wide that tire is now. I switched from a 275 to a 11-inch wide tire that looks like the factory wheels. I'll get into that in a later video. But I see those are the stock tires. But 305s, Mickey Thompson drag radials on those wheels. But I found this company that makes replica of my stock wheels, so they're wider. So I'm actually running the same size tire the Dodge Demon or the wide body Hellcat's running, except for they're not front and back. It's a staggered look. I think it's the way the vehicle should have came. I'm going to get that in another video talking all about it. But let's get this vehicle all washed up and clean and get the day going. Exploring Myrtle Beach, trying to figure out all the spots are, where to go. And I'm all new to this, so it's just like a lot of exploring. Like, where's the car scene out in here? There has to be some place where like all the people with the cars hang out. If any of my viewers are from the Myrtle Beach area, let me know. Where do people meet up with the cars? That's what I'm trying to find. Where's the ladies at? Where the car meets at? Where's it at? Trying to find it. Sounds so cool, guys. Get ready for it. Yeah, those are the guys that did the sign for my business. It's American muscle. Ooh, yeah.